Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove reports on TikTok all at once. So first of all, open TikTok apps. Click on the profile icon. Look at the left corner. Tap on three line and settings and privacy. Scroll down and go to report a problem. Click on. Tap on video missing. Other. Yes. Need more help. And now type here to your problem in details and tap on submit. So if you follow this my all process, then remove reports on TikTok all at once. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.